Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Some of them are really surprising, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of Fast Shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
One of the benefits of playing mini golf with friends is that it can be good for your health. Mini golf requires you to walk around the course, which can help get your blood flowing and improve your circulation. Additionally, mini golf can be a good way to bond with friends and build relationships. Spending time with friends can reduce stress levels and improve overall mental health. So next time you're looking for a fun activity to do with friends, consider playing mini golf. It's good for your body and your mind. Raspberries are not only a delicious fruit, but it also has many health benefits. Raspberries are a good source of fiber and vitamins, and it also contains antioxidants that can help protect your body against disease. Raspberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber can also help to lower cholesterol levels and keep blood sugar levels under control. Next time you're looking for a way to improve your health, consider kayaking. It's a great workout for your body and mind. Kayaking can help improve your balance and coordination. As you paddle, you need to constantly adjust your body position to stay upright. This requires good balance and coordination. Kayaking can be a great stress reliever. Being out on the water, surrounded by nature, can help you relax and de-stress. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health, why not give kayaking a try? Reading to children has numerous benefits. It can help them develop language skills, learn about the world around them, and bond with their caregivers. But, besides that, reading to children can indeed benefit you the most. Laughter, which is usually accompanied by reading to children, has been shown to have numerous benefits for your health. Laughter can help you relieve stress, improve your disposition, and even boost your immune system. So, next time you're feeling down, try reading to children. It just might be the finest medicine.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try Fast Shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets a fast shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.